Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look at ticker symbol TRTC. That's Terra Tech Corporation. The chart we have in front of us is a 15-minute chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing 15 minutes of trading. We go back to right around, let's see, that'd be right around September 27th, which is really when this uptrend started. So we had this beautiful uptrend starting here, 27th, and this is what I like to call staircase mode. It's just steady. You run up a little bit, you consolidate, run up a little bit, consolidate, run up a little bit, consolidate, staircase mode, basically making a very nice staircase, and that's a healthy increase. What's not healthy is when we just see a stock spike up, and then if it does do that, it'll probably rubber band all the way back down, and then maybe start falling off and downtrending. We don't like that kind of action. If we want to be long on something and we want to swing it, we want it to be staircase mode, and that's healthy, and that's a good increase. Now the problem is something happened about the last hour of trading today, and let's see, yeah, it was about the last 45 minutes to an hour, and I'm really not sure what happened. Maybe some news came out, but I'm not really looking into the fundamentals on the stock. You can see we had this huge red candle bringing us all the way down from 48 cents all the way down to 38 cents. So this candle took out more than 20% of the price of this stock. Pretty insane. Now, it's not terrible. I would have liked to have seen what would have played out if the market didn't close right after that happened. I think there would have been a decent opportunity to have bought in down here and played it up to this next area of support. In other words, we could have played it from about 38 cents to about 41 cents, making a clean 8 to 12% gain there, depending on where we got in and where we got out. I do think it was probably a little bit overextended to the downside. Now, of course, I don't know what the news was, but I would have probably taken a tiny speculative position to play that bounce play up to the next area of support. Too bad the market closed and then all of the volume died up after hours. There was no trades to really be made then. Speaking of support, let's discuss the areas of support and resistance that we can be looking at. So that first one I want to mention is 0.383. That's that bottom support line there. The next one moving up right here, we're looking at 47. So 0.407, 40, and almost 41. I guess you could say 40 and 7/10. And then this very top area, that's the area of resistance we're looking at. That's 49 cents on the money. So the last 3 days we were channeling between 49 cents and 47 cents and 7/10. And we pushed all the way up, almost seeing that 49 cent area. You know, we hit that high of 48 cents and 2/10. And then we just kind of didn't really get denied, but we couldn't break through, hang out there right below the resistance area, and that's when we had the major selling off. And like I said, I think there could have been some merit in buying in down here at 38 and bringing it all the way up to 40 for a nice little bounce play, but we just didn't have the time of the day to try that out. Now overall, even with that red candle, we are still up nicely from a few weeks ago, and though we want to break out of this channel and stay in this channel, this wide channel, we'll have to see how this plays out on Monday. I will look into the news that came out there and see. The problem with playing this bounce on Monday is that the damage is already done now. These kind of bounce plays move quick, and even if it did bounce up to 40 cents, there's no guaranteeing that it would have found support there. For all I know, it bounces off 38, goes to 40, and then falls back down to 38, and then falls back down and breaks that support as well. The bounce play, you want to play off the significant movement. You want to rubber band it to the upside and sell with your profits when you feel that the merit has been accomplished. Now, since we have to wait until Monday, the whole weekend, and this whole move is already done, I'm not going to be buying this in for a bounce play. There just simply wasn't enough time today to do that. So really on Monday, I'm going to take a look at the pre-market on the stock and see if it starts making a recovery. In that case, it's not really going to be a bounce play. It's more just going to be a recovery play. Bounce play means it's overextended to the downside within about a 5-minute range or so. Mainly this major candle here that occurred in the 15 minutes, though the original downtrend started about 45 minutes before that. Most of that action happened in the last 15 minutes of the trading period, specifically the last 4 minutes of the trading period even. So that's when we would have had played that bounce play for a quick profit. Since we can't do that anymore, we got to be much more conservative and much more careful on Monday if we even take a position at all. So that's what I'm going to be watching for on TRTC. If you guys choose to join me in on that play, well, I wish you the best of luck. Hopefully we all make some money. And if you'd like to discuss this play and many like it, feel free to join us at activeinvestors.net free chat room there, or you can join our Prime membership for some more detailed info and technical analysis guides, webinars, that sort of thing. I'd love to see you there, and I hope I do. Catch you later.